kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters alphabets A to Z and numbers 1 to 10. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Red color, yellow color, gray color, orange color, green color, yellow ochre color, black color, purple color, blue color, and pink color. So now you draw alphabets. And first you draw A. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. Okay, so now you draw E. The alphabets of E. E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. Okay, so now you draw J. The alphabets of J. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for mango. Okay, so now you draw N. The alphabets of N. N for nose. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. Okay, so now you draw R. The alphabets of R. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. Okay, so now you draw V. V for van. W for whale. X for telephone. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. Okay, so now you draw numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so now you draw 6. The numbers of 6. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.